All right, shalom, shalom. We're the real Hebrew Israelites coming day in and day out to prophesy the downfall of Babylon the Great, which is America. First off and foremost, our praises, honor, and glory be unto Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Akar Kodash. Double honors to thee, other apostles of great millstone. Salutations to the elect, wherever you may be. Just to hop straight into it, man. The title of the lesson is Ain't No Folding, We Are Golden and Chosen. All right? Because the closer we see these prophecies pop off, the more and more that pop off, the closer we're getting into that day. All right? There's no time for folding or dropping the plow or going back into the world. All right? We already won. All right? Yahushua already won for us. We already got the victory. It's just the time waiting game. Matter of fact, let me read this Deuteronomy 14:2. For thou art an holy people unto Yahweh. All right? Yahweh thy power, and Yahweh have chosen. So there's the chosen part. Thee to be a peculiar people unto himself above all the nations of the earth. All right? So we're the chosen. So how much more the elect? How much more the first fruits? How much more the men of the Lord that's actually going out here to preach and prophesy and do all the things that Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai has commanded us to do. All right? There's no time to there's no point in giving up. All right? Simply put, there's no point in giving up. All right? Let me get, matter of fact, this brings me to 2 Ezra 5. 2 Ezra 5:23. And said, O Lord, that bearest rule of every wood of the earth, and of all the trees thereof, thou hast chosen thee only one vine. So the Lord has his creme de la creme. Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai has his, get out of here, you goddamn cat. All right? The Lord has his chosen things that he loves. And Israel is one of them. Okay? It says, of all the lands of the whole earth, thou hast chosen thee one pit, which is the land of Israel, right? And of all the flowers thereof, one lily. And of all the depths of the sea, thou hast filled one river. And of all the builded cities, thou hast hallowed, which is what? Holy, sanctified, Kudash, all right? Set apart, Zion, unto itself, unto thyself. So that's how the Lord looks at us, man. So how much more the actual first fruits? How much more the Israel of Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai, man? All right? And we chosen and golden, man. We really pray and hope that we're part we're part of that, man. Of all the fowls that they created, thou hast named thee one dove, and of all the cattle thou hast provided, of all the cattle that were made, thou hast provided thee one sheep, and among all the multitudes of people, thou hast gotten thee one people. And unto this people whom thou lovest, so to hell with the rest of the people, thou gavest a law and improve of all. All right? So, shit. You can keep on going with this, but nonetheless, hey, the Lord has his chosen, man. So ain't no time to be folding right now, man. All right? And that's real shit, man. Matter of fact, because... Hold on, let me get this. Let me go back to Deuteronomy. You okay, baby? Okay. This is Deuteronomy 7:6. For thou art a holy people unto Yahweh thy power. All right? Yahweh thy power have chosen thee to be a special people unto himself above all the people on the face of the planet of earth. Planet of earth, Salaki. People upon the face of the earth. All right? So that's simply what it is. The Lord chose us, man. But all right? Matthew 20:16. For the last should be first, and the first should be last. For many should be called, but few chosen. Matthew 22:14. For many are called, but few are chosen. All right? We're hoping to be that chosen, man. All right? That's why it says make thy calling and election sure. All right? Because ain't no time to be folding and going back into the world, man. Like, hey, when those disciples left Yahweh Shai, the ones he knew that wasn't going to stay with him, and he asked the 12, would you leave me also? They said, whether should we go? Where to go? We already in hell. All right, we in the hell, but we got the truth, we got the comforter. Why leave the comforter and just dwell in hell? Just to be in all this madness, man. At least we have understanding of things that that's actually going on, man. All right? Matter of fact, check this out. All right? This is Romans 9:22. For what if Yahweh were willing to show his wrath and to make his power known, endured with much long suffering the vessels of wrath fitted for destruction, which is mainly Esau. But guess what? The rest of you niggas are going to get exposed and destroyed out here, man. All right? That he might make known the riches of his glory on the vessels of mercy. Now, who's going to get that mercy? All right? That takes you back to Ezekiel 9:4. Set a mark upon the men that cry and sigh, man. All right? So those men, those chosen golden men, all right? And that's why the Lord says we're like gold that's tried in the fire. I'll get that too, all right? Which is, he had a fore prepared for glory, man. All right? So, hey, we're hoping to be those vessels, man, because we are already Israelites, but how much more if we're the Israel? Matter of fact, let me get it. Should be Romans also. How did it go? How did it go? Shalaki, bear with me, brothers. Shalakia, Galatians 6. Oh, it's right here. My dumb ass. Shalakia, Galatians 6:16. And as many as walk according to this rule, peace be unto them. Peace be unto them. What's this rule? This truth, this doctrine. And mercy, right? There go that mercy. There go that mercy we was just talking about. Going back to Ezekiel 9. Upon the God of Israel, which are what? The first fruits. All right? And what are the first fruits going to go through? Golf. All right, this is Sirach 2:15. For gold is tried in fire, an acceptable man in the furnace of adversity. Believe in him, and he will help thee, and order thy way aright, and trust in him. All right? So we're like gold going through the fire, and Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai is getting all the impurities off of us. So if we know we're being made perfect, why should we give up? Don't stop midway through the process where you still got all these impurities on you. No. I want the creme de la creme, best of the best. That's what I'm shooting for, man. All right? I can write 1 Peter 1:7, that the trial of your faith being much more precious than gold that perish. So we're above gold, man. All right? Just putting the symbol of gold on this is just a representation. Stop, cat. Is a representation of glory. But the Lord just said here, what? More precious than gold that perish, though it be tried in fire, might be found unto praise and honor and glory at the appearing of Yahushua Mashiach. So that's why we're going through this, man. All right, we're going through this fiery trial, man. All right, the Lord is purifying us, man. Hey, here it go. Wisdom of Solomon 3:6. As gold in the furnace hath he tried them and received them as a burnt offering. Did not Yahweh Shemel. Joey, shut up. I'm doing the video. Shit. Before I rebuke your ass in the name of Yahweh Shemel Shah. All right? It says, as gold in the furnace he have tried them and received them as burnt offerings. Now, what did Yahweh Shemel Shah said, man? All right? He said what? Make your body a living sacrifice. All right. Now, what else do you have? It says, oh, here we go. Let's hit this up. 2 Ezra 16:73. Then shall they be known who are my chosen, and they should be tried as the gold in the fire, man. So we're chosen and we're golden, man. And Yahweh Shem Shai is going to bring us out of this. Matter of fact, hold on. You see your mama, you crying now. Hold on. This is Isaiah 13:12. All right, and this is talking about the elect man. All right, I will make a man, right? I will make a man more precious than fine gold, even a man than a gold wedge of Ophir. Now, the best type of gold you could get is from Ophir. All right, but guess what? The Lord said He's going to make a man, an Israelite man, especially him with the truth, more precious than gold, because in that day, that's who you're going to need. All right, that's exactly who you're going to need. So, at this point in the truth, there's no point in giving up, man. All right, Yahweh Shai said we already had the victory, man. Matter of fact, Romans 8:38 and 39. Matter of fact, I'm just hit the part. This is one of my favorite parts in this in the whole Bible. Where is it at? Verse 37, Romans 8:37. Nay, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him that loved us. It says we are more than conquerors, man. All right, that's heavy. All right, so ain't no time to fold under pressure, man. Woe unto him that's lost patience, man. What you gonna do when the Lord visits you? All right, so with that, I'm going to say all praises, honor, and glory be unto Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem, Makar Kadash. Double honors to the other apostles of great millstone, and salutations to the elect, wherever you may be. Abad Babal.